Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn about phrases for how to end a conversation. Sorry, I've got to go. I'd better be let you go now. It's been good talking to you. Nice to meet you. Let's catch up soon. It's been a pleasure talking to you. Sorry, I must be off. I have to rush off now. Let's meet up again soon. Bye for now. Let's get together soon. Take care. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you so much for watching.